Okay, this little catch-all area of cube shelves is like for plastic containers and overhaul things from a pantry, and I just replaced these last week, and I don't know if the camera's picking up, but Tonto, my other cat, likes to scratch on these things. So I stopped at Target this morning and bought some plastic bins, and hopefully I have finally outsmarted him. Okay, so that was an easy switcheroo. Now if Tonto can scratch through these containers, there's something wrong with that guy. But we'll match. Everything's been cleaned out, put away. We're done with this section. Okay, I started cleaning my kitchen this morning and I got a rearranging bug in my hiney. So I moved my toaster oven from this corner and I kind of made this my coffee bar. I suspect sooner or later one of my cats will get into that little fake plant there and start chewing that up, but maybe they won't see it. Then I got a matching wreath over here, and I'm going to see about putting the toaster oven over here in this corner next to the stove. We'll see what I can do. Okay, so the toaster oven didn't go where I wanted it to go, so I have a cookbook stand there. This is where I set up my new little coffee bar. So far the cats have left my fake plant alone. But now my kitchen's all clean for a Saturday afternoon. It's another gloomy Sunday here in Southwest Florida. So what better thing to do than stay inside and get things done? So let's get busy. We're making a pot roast today. I have a bottom round roast. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Put some 1 or 2 bay leaves in there. And to 1 cup of water, I'm going to mix 1 packet of the Lipton's Recipe Secrets in Beefy Onion. And it'll cook in that for 3 or 4 hours. there's a guy that I work with feeds these stray cats, and I do it for them on the weekends, and I thought I would take you along for the ride today. So we're on our way. Usually 4 or 5 of them, but only 3 of them came out today.